So I'd like to share a critical reminder during tough times. Now, this piece of advice came to me from a 50-year industry vet who I respect a ton in this business, who speaks across the country, and I'm only a 20-plus year industry expert, and I fall on these words of wisdom a lot. I use them all the time with clients, and I think hopefully you'll like it and it'll resonate with you. So, what are the words? It goes like this. All successful lifetime investing is goal-focused and planning-driven. All failed lifetime investing is market-focused and current events-driven. I infer from this two experiences. Every really successful investor was acting continuously on a plan, and every failed investor was reacting continually to events. Let's play that out. All successful lifetime investing is goal-focused and planning-driven. And to that end, every really successful investor was acting continuously on a plan. So what does this mean? Why is it so critical? So this means that, and we here at Diversified breathe this, live it, drink it for lunch, breakfast, dinner, is that financial planning and investing are one and the same. Investing is an offshoot of planning. You need to plan. You need to identify your goals. You need to identify your objectives. You need to create your plan on what you want out of your life and your finances. And then you create an investing strategy that supports it. That's objective is to make those things come true. That in and of itself is what investing is. If you start to deviate from that, it gets messy. We know there's going to be good times and bad. No one is surprised when there's a down 20% year. It feels terrible when you're in it, but if you have a goal to fall back on, if you have a plan to fall back on, then it creates that safe haven to get through it and can really be massive and critical to your success, because it's something that you can go to, you can read, you can follow, you can check on, and you can make sure that you're staying true to what you set out during calm, cool, collective times. Now let's take the other side of that statement. All failed investing is market-focused and events-driven. So every failed investor was reacting continuously to events. See this all day long. My clients who were unhappy after COVID were ones that reacted. My clients that were unhappy in 2008 and tech booms and every other downturn, 2018, were ones that reacted. This is the big one. This is it. They're reading tea leaves and they're trying to do what is virtually impossible. Time the markets. Can't do it. Buffett says it. Peter Lynch says it. Every great investor that ever has lived has said it. You don't react to the markets. You can make changes. We're making changes. You can be opportunistic for sure. But if you react to current events and you start selling and letting these things be your guiding light, it is a recipe for disaster. Time and time again. I can't stress enough. I've seen it. I've seen it play out millions and millions of times. The amount of times clients come in, their money's all sitting in cash because they lost 20, 30% during XYZ crash. And now they come back to me years later as new clients and are hoping we can fix it. It's tough. They missed it. They did what you were told not to do in this business. They reacted, they acted emotionally, they sold when low, and the markets are the markets. To believe that Amazon is worth 20% less today than it was a couple weeks ago is ludicrous. To think they're not going to be here in a growing company in 10, 20, 30 years, no one here should believe that. So stay true, create a plan, follow that plan. And again, I'll leave you with these words of wisdom. And this is what we're here to work, create, plan to, and guide our clients to. All successful lifetime investing is goal-focused and planning-driven. All failed lifetime investing is market-focused and current events-driven. And again, I infer from this two experiences. Every really successful investor was acting continuously on a plan. Every failed investor was reacting continually to events. So I leave you with those words. I'm Andrew Rosen, President of Diversified. Stay wealthy, stay healthy, and stay happy. Bye.